Have you ever thought about how your estate planning could support your child's or grandchildren's education? Education is one of the most meaningful gifts you can provide for future generations. Today, we'll discuss how to structure your estate plan to help fund their academic goals. I'm Anna Burr with Burr Law. If you're thinking about leaving a legacy of education to your family, make sure to subscribe for more estate planning tips. An estate plan focused on education considers your legacy makes a lasting impact. Here are some key steps to consider. First, the possibility of an education trust. An education trust is a powerful tool to earmark funds specifically for educational purposes. You can set rules for how the money is used, such as covering tuition, books, or housing. Second, you can leverage 529 plans. If you've already established a 529 savings plan for your children or grandchildren, you can integrate them into your estate plan. These tax advantage accounts are an excellent way to grow funds for education while reducing your estate's taxable value. There have also been recent changes to Colorado 529 plans, which a financial advisor can talk to you about. Third, consider lifetime gifting. Gifting funds during your lifetime can help with educational expenses. You can take advantage of annual gift tax exclusions to contribute to 529 plans or to other accounts without incurring taxes. Next, naming beneficiaries strategically. Designate beneficiaries for your financial accounts or life insurance policies with education in mind. This allows funds to go directly to those who will need them for academic pursuits. Collaborating with a financial advisor and with an estate planning attorney ensures your strategy is legally sound and tailored to your family's unique needs. If you're ready to create an estate plan that supports educational goals for your family or loved ones, contact us at Burr Law. We're here to help you make a lasting impact. For more estate planning advice, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.